Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this question, and it says the length of the rectangular driveway is 4 feet less than 5 times its width. So here we go. The length is 4 feet less than 5 times its width. 5w minus 4. And so I would take w times 5w minus 4 equals 672. So 5w squared minus 4w equals 672. And so 5w squared minus 4w plus, minus 672. And so that equals 0. And so then I'm going to figure out, okay, well, I'm going to factor this. So I'm going to use the quadratic formula to solve for this. So I have negative times negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times 5 times 572. Times 672 times 6, negative 672. And that's all over 2 times 5. And when I go and solve for this, I can get w equals a positive 12 or w equals a negative 56 over 5. And you can't have a negative dimension. So the width equals 12. And the length is 12 times 5, which is 60, minus 4, which is 56. Then for the next thing, it wants you to find the axis of symmetry and the vertex of the parabola. So I'm going to insert a graph. Oops. And I'll graph it. And I always like to use low numbers. And for my low numbers, I'm going to use, let's see, if I use x, y, if I use negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2, let's see where that leaves me. So I have 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20 minus 10. So that would be a negative 10. So then if I do 5 minus or plus 10 minus 2, that's plus 20. So that is not right. Hold on. So that's plus 20. So that's 40, and so that's 30. And then if I do 5 times negative 1 squared, negative 10 times negative 1 minus 10. So these end up canceling out, and so I'm just going to get 5. And then if I do 0, then I'm just going to get negative 10. If I do 1, then that's going to be 5 times 1 squared, and then negative 10 times 1 minus 10. So that would be negative 20. And this would be 5. So that would be negative 15. And then if I have a positive 2, so that's negative 2 and 30. So, and then I have negative 1 and positive 5. I have 0, negative 10. I have 1 and negative 15. 1 and negative 15. So it'd be like somewhere down here. And then if I do 2, 5 times 4 minus 10 times 2 minus 10. So that would be 20 minus 20 minus 10. So then that would be a negative 10. So 2, negative 10. So 2, negative 10. Which would mean that this goes here. So here we go. So my axis of symmetry is 1, or my vertex is 1 comma negative 15, and my axes of symmetry is x equals 1. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.